Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. Today we have another IKEA product with us, which is Rinnig IKEA plate holder. It's a compact rack that holds up to 9 plates upright. With Rinnig double-sided dish drainer, it creates a modular drying station for your kitchen. Instead of towel drying every dish, just wash and slot your plates in. The upright spacing lets air circulate so plates dry faster without lint or water spots. It also doubles up for pot, lids, chopping boards, or even mail and files. So it helps you organize more than just dishes. The rack is made up of steel with polyamide plastic coating. The soft coating helps prevent scratches and slipping. When it comes to the price, it cost around $299 in INR, which is approximately 3.5 USD dollar. It's a space saver for small kitchens or rental setups, and it works seamlessly with Rinnig series for a coordinated look. And also it's a multi-purpose rack. When it comes to the measurement, the length of this rack is 28 cm, width is around 9 cm, and height is around 8 cm. It's a compact and sturdy rack, absolutely a perfect fit for any small kitchens or rental setup, and you can definitely give it a try, and it's affordable as well. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to get more product reviews like this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.